I am profoundly humbled and immeasurably honored, and I accept your nomination to be the United Democratic Alliance candidate in this year's presidential election.
Thutha wa gukindirwo ni ajumbe makiria ma 5,000 a kiama kia UDA gukahuranira giturwa kia president dia githurano twerekeire, Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto aitikire kiharo gutariria muingi wa bururi mamwe ma maria gakinyaniria angikaiukia hotani. Agishokia makinya na thutha, Ruto ni augire thirikari ya Jubilee yari na mufango mwega kuri muingi ende ukierekerio irimaine.
We had not lost 4 years chasing a mirage if we had taken time to implement the Big Four plan. Kenya would be different from what we have today.
Akiorota honge cia DCI na KRA, Ruto ni augire ici ni imwe cia honge iria thirikari ikoretwo ikihuthira kunyamaria aria mari na murugamo ngurani wa kiuteti.
They have weaponized the DCI, they have weaponized the EACC, they have weaponized the KRA to run political errands, to dismantle businesses that belong to people who do not worship them. We will professionalize the DCI's office and the KRA.
Ningi no ire mweke uyu gutariria muingi haria ndugu yake na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta yagagaire.
My friend the president did inform me that he needed space to work on his personal legacy as the 4th president. I obliged, and this led to my eventual retreat to the margins of a government that I had participated in forming.
Shegie ripoti ya BBI neria togoria gwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja makoreto makiuga ni gushoka Ruto nianireire uyu ni uhoro muthiru na gwatogoria mafatie kurongorerio kuria wa bururi.
We will go to the polls to elect leadership that is going to create opportunities for empowerment, not sharing power.
Ukiri uguo ni ugire gitama gia githurano giukite ni gicore na igakorwo gatagati ka atongoria aria mari na kioneki kuri muingi na aria marongoreirie kuhangira nda ciao.
We will not submit to your threats and blackmail. We will not bow to you. We will not worship you. We worship the living God in heaven. We worship no human being.
Uteti wa githurano kinene utabete kona-ini ciothe cia bururi na kibarua riu gitigeirwo atongoria kwiyarira na kwiyaria kuri muingi. Kiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.